Bittoken new update, how to double your rewards on this platform. So if you have not started mining Bittoken, the link will be in the video description. You need to do this immediately. There's a limited time offer on how to double your rewards. So do this immediately. So to do that, you click on this end session. You can see that there's a limited bonus offer. So this limited bonus offer will end on 28th of February. So it's very near, and you are going to earn 5x bonus instead of earning 1000 RP. After watching your videos, you are going to earn 5000 RP. This is the fastest way to have more RP before the next snapshot or conversion that will take place in March 16th. So you need to do this so that you can earn more SRP. To earn more SRP on this plot, the conversion rate is decreasing day by day. So you need to do this to accumulate more points. So this is what you need to do. Just have to watch your ads. You have 20 ads every day to watch, and each ad you watch, just 5 seconds ad will give you 5000 RP. So what you are going to do is just to click on it. It's processing the ads. So this is the ad, just 5 seconds ad. You will earn it, and after that you cancel. Click here to cancel it. Once you cancel, you are going to claim the 5000. You can see it here. That's ad revenue rewards. You have claim first 50. Just this one that I watched now. I'm going to click on claim, and I'll earn 5000 RP. Before you finish watching the 20 videos, 20 hours, you have a lot of RP in your balance. So do what we are going to do just to claim. I've claimed it. Then we go back again and click on this ad, watch it again. So if you have not started, the link will be in the video description, and do well to also do your KYC. If you come to your wallet, for you to be able to sell your Bittoken, that's your BTT, you must pass your KYC. The minimum you can deposit on this platform to do your KYC is $10. But if you reach out to me, I'm going to guide you on how to deposit $1 to your BTT account so that you can perform your KYC without stress. So after that, now the last conversion, which was on February 16, I managed to get 370 BTT. Right now, this little amount of RP I have is just $14, and the only thing you can do is just to watch the ad and perform other tasks. Now, there are a lot of videos you need to watch. Follow these people, follow BTT, that's Bittoken, on Facebook to earn 2500 RP. You visit their CTC Facebook page, you earn the same 2500. You subscribe to their YouTube channel, you earn. You do all these tasks. There are a lot of tasks. You need to load them, to do them, watch them, so that before March 16th, you'll be able to have enough RP that can give you enough BTT. So this is what you need to do. Watch the ads. Bittoken is a project that you can withdraw even without waiting for the listing. Once you have BTT, you can withdraw. Like I said, you must perform your KYC before you withdraw. And if you go here, if you start, you can trade your BTT and cash out even without waiting. But know it that the minimum you can withdraw out of the platform is $10. If you don't have up to BTT that can give you $10, you cannot actually withdraw. So the minimum you can withdraw is $10, but it's something that you can do. Invite your friends, be active on the group so that you can earn more RP, so that you start cashing out like every other person if you will. But if you don't want to cash out, it's still okay. After all, they say that 1 BTT on listing will be 0.5. So if 1000 BTT coin at least is going to give you at least $500 is something. So do not just depend on selling. Learn how to hold for future. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Do well to subscribe to this channel, turn our WhatsApp or Telegram channel for high value update. Thank you guys.